Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Suno. Here we click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we'll search about the application of Suno. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.